Today, I'm be making a project on Scratch. It's called FORDOF County. It's my own county that I made on myself. It's called FORDOF County 1003 with other sirens. We're doing a test with the 1003 in, I think, all the other 1003s are in high-low. I think the main one would be this one. This one right here is a 4.5 in alert. So, let's just, I'm continuing. I'm showing you behind the scenes of how I'm doing it. So, I'll show you with the backdrop. The blower's right here. This is kind of where it's sitting on top of. The controls I'm making still. So, plan of action. I'm good. This is it right now. This is like, I'm trying to make it a certain color, gray kind of, but kind of white. The blower's kind of gray because that's how like it looks good that way. So, and guys, I hope you guys like this. There's also a federal sign signal sticker. It's not accurate, but it looks like it one, kind of. I'm coloring it mostly white, representing my favorite color, white. Thunderbolt. I like white thunderbolts. It's just that I don't see them often as I used to. Let's just make this up. There's that. I'm gonna go edit the horn part, the screening and stuff. Yep, that's the horn done. The chopper, obviously, this still went out 3 because you can see the solenoids on the side of the horn. So, just letting you guys know the difference between. So, I never once seen a white 1003. I've only seen in person. I have not seen one in person, but I have seen one on YouTube to a lot of people that have seen it. Oh, I don't know why I keep messing up there, but it's okay. Just here. Sound effects I can add here in a minute, so just screen it out. There we go. Okay. Do you think this looks good, in my opinion? The sound effects. There's no sound effects, so how about we add a 4.5 port? Alert. Weather sirens. Yep. This one should be 4.5. See, guys, this is 4.5. Here, take a listen. See, that's 4.5. So, yeah. Let me edit it. 4, 5. No, not 4, 4. That was so weird. 4, 5. 4. No! Oh, never mind. Found it. Federal sign and signal. Thunderbolt 1003. No, 1003. A. It's an A series because you can see the screen of the horn. That's how you know. I wonder, guys, should I make it sound sample 1003? Yep, let's do it. See if this is accurate. So accurate, guys. Okay, this will be good. Okay, let's do that. A 4.5 port. No one's clicked. We're gonna have a separate script, and this will be delete the pop. Obviously, I could have made this a tutorial, but no, I'm just showing you behind the scenes. I could do other sirens, but let's do the I'm gonna add this, the Manila 1003, and the severe weather sirens instead. I'm on a computer for this, so just letting you guys know. It's importing. Here we go. So when clicked, I'm going to have the sound effects, 2 sound effects for a reason. And then this one we're gonna wait about 5 seconds. Let's test it. Not yet. Not yet. We have to add the message 1 to it so it can make it look like it's sounding. This is just the sound wave art. That's what we're gonna do now. I don't know why I like this color so much for the Thunderbolts. It's just that I do for some reason. It shows the tiny diagram to show. And I hope you enjoyed the video so far. This is actually pretty interesting to me. Now, since we are doing this, I don't want to make it rotate for this video because, actually, what was the point of doing that? I could just moved it here. But I'm just waiting. I'm gonna wait 2 seconds. And of course, I'm changing, yeah, switch it to normal. So, here you go.